Do you have itchy, dry, red skin that keeps coming back again and again? Have you tried cream that work for some time but problem returns when you stop them? Hello, I am Dr. Anjali Deep, and today we will talk about eczema. What it really is, why it happens, what worsen it, and how you can take care of your skin naturally, and finally, how homeopathy helps in long term relief, not just temporary suppression. What is eczema? Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, it is a chronic inflammatory skin condition in which you will see dry and sensitive skin, redness and itching, sometimes oozing and cracks, or thick skin and recurrent flare ups. Eczema is not contagious and not due to poor hygiene. It often starts in childhood but also can affect the adult. Now let us understand why does this eczema occurs. To understand the eczema, we have to understand the skin barriers. In eczema, the skin barrier becomes weak. Moisture escapes easily, due to which allergen, irritant, and microbes enter into the skin. This leads to severe itching and repeated flare-ups. There is also immune system involved in this. Due to immune system hypersensitivity and genetic predisposition, it can lead to eczema-like condition. Eczema can be associated with asthma, allergic rhinitis, or food allergies in some patients. So, eczema is not just a skin condition, it represents the internal imbalance of the body. Now, let's discuss what are the causative factor or triggering factors due to which this eczema get worse. Eczema is triggered or worsened by multiple factors. The internal factors which involve family history of allergies, emotional stress, hormonal changes, and weak immunity. External factors in your surrounding includes soap, detergent or perfume, synthetic or woolen clothes. Other than this can be dust, pollen or pet dander. Sometimes weather changes like winter dryness or excessive sweating can also lead to eczema. There are also some lifestyle factors which involve in triggering the or worsening the symptoms of eczema. That can be lack of sleep, poor hydration, irregular meals, excessive eating junk food or processed food. Identifying your personal triggers is very important to control it. Now we will discuss those factors which can increase this worsening of the symptoms. Some common mistakes that can worsen the eczema that are excessive use of steroidal cream without proper supervision, frequent bathing with hot water, over scrubbing the skin can also lead to eczema, ignoring the emotional stress, and most common mistake that all the patient do that as soon as itching stops they stop taking the medication. They do not complete the course of treatment, due to which eczema again flares up. Eczema need consistent care, not a short-term relief. Now let's discuss what are the things you can do so that you can prevent these flare-ups. Simple daily habits can make a big difference. Firstly, you have to use mild and fragrance-free soaps. Moisturize your skin twice daily. Prefer cotton clothes. Keep your nails short to avoid the skin damage. Manage your stress with yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Maintain good sleep and hydration. Remember one thing, healthy skin starts with healthy routine. Now, I'm giving you some home remedies which can help you reduce your symptom for a while. Use coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil for dryness. You can use oatmeal bath to reduce the itching. Cold compress during the acute itching. Avoid the known food triggers if you have identified them. These remedies help in comfort but do not treat the root cause. And as you all know, if you have to treat the root cause of disease, you have to take homeopathic medicine, because homeopathic medicine treat these disease condition from its root. And also homeopathy views eczema as manifestation of internal imbalance. not just a skin problem. So let's understand how homeopathy can help you in this condition. Basically, homeopathy treats the root cause of the disease, not just suppressing the symptom. It reduces the dependency on steroid creams, improves the immunity and skin resistance. Individualized treatment based on nature of itching, location of eczema, emotional state of patient, triggers and overall health. With proper case taking and regular follow up, we can gradually reduce the flare ups, skin heals naturally, and long term relief is possible. Healing takes time, but it is gentle, safe, and sustainable. Eczema may be chronic, but not hopeless. With correct guidance, lifestyle changes, and individualized treatment, long term relief is possible. If you or your child are suffering from eczema, consult a doctor, avoid self medication, and trust the healing process. As a doctor, our responsibility is not just treat the visible symptoms, but to understand the patient as a whole. And that is where this holistic approach of homeopathy plays an important role. So thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more trusted health information.